Hi guys, and this tutorial will create a nice road like this using the Unreal Engine 5.8. As you can see, this is my road. We have to create this road and another road. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the editor, create new project. After that, select third person as template and hit create. Okay, fine. Now let's go here to file, select new level and set basic level. Select this floor and press delete this floor. After that, go here to landscape mode, hit create to create a new landscape. After that, we have to go right here and hit save current level and hit save. Okay, this is my level, is called new map. Now let's create our robot. First of all, we have to go here to content drawer, tab, and go right here and search for American robot. More filter price only show free products. Okay, you can download this or this. For us, we have to make our road manually. Okay, to do that, we have to choose one of them. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, medium quality, I want to choose a raw quality, the highest quality as possible. Add to my project. Yes, tick it and hit accept. Let's start downloading right now. After that, let's search for ground. Okay, let's choose any ground. Gravel ground. This one. Okay, raw quality else. Okay, after that, let's cross path. Okay, after that, let's go here to content tab and search for biggest kind of shapes. Let's begin with this ground, gravel ground. Raw quality, choose material. And from here, select the landscape. After selecting the landscape, you have to drag this one on this place. Okay, after that, let's get rid of the tiling. We have to go right here. Let's go down. X offset. And let's make the Y offset. Yeah, saturation. Okay, brightness. Choose as you play. Okay, after that, let's go here to specular. And finally go here to normal intensity. Make it more realistic, as you can see. Now, let's save. And let's move to the next step. Okay, for the next step, we have first of all to save all. And go here. And landscape mode. Go here to manage, go to spline. We have to add a new layer. Click the spline button, add this layer button, and landscape edit layer splines. Okay, fine. Okay, before we move to this layer, we have to add our road in a static mesh. Go here, content drawer, content, and let's go here to the modeling tool. Choose a rectangle and just save this rectangle. Hit accept. Okay, now go here, browse asset, and click here to move this asset to my content. You turn right here, double click here. We have to add our material in this place. Click here and search for road. This material that I downloaded previously is my road material. After that, click save. Now, as you can see, this is my road. Now, just delete it. After that, let's return here to landscape mode. Go to spline and select this one and press, go right here, press Control and hold Control and press the left mouse button another time. And you can get it, just drag this one here. After that, select one click here and go to this corner, Landscape Spline Meshes. Go to the array elements, and what I want to do, one click here and one click to this one. There is a problem with the X and Y axis. How to fix this one? We have to go here, forward axis, change this X by Y, and up axis Z, make it the same, and go here, adjust the value. Okay, as you can see, this my road. Now let's save on, and let's create return here to selection mode, and let's add my clear start here. Delete this first place start and add the second one here, this W. Go up. Okay, as you can see, this is my road. Okay, now let's create another road. Okay, let's do the same steps. Let's go here, landscape mode. It's just my layer is created previously, spines. Okay, let's adjust the speed of the camera, and let's create multiple nodes. Just press Ctrl and create another point. After that, you can just using this. Okay, after that, let's add our mesh, spline mesh. One click here, and I will use my spline mesh. This one, and click here. Make the same thing, this Y axis, and just make it like this. Now let's create the third one, and we have finished with creating our routes. Okay, press Ctrl, another point here, select it, go here, press this plus button, one click here, using the mouse button, and click here. Now let's click this Y axis. Okay, fine. Let's save all, and we have finished. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial. See you later on the next tutorial.